You finna take a train? Larry? Larry? We finna take a train? Oh my God. We're on the train. You can tell we're from Selma. Oh my God, we're on a train, bro. See, we're not used to this. We're from Selma. Let them know. We are on a train.
Access to baggage claim ground transportation. Please exit number 2 gates.
The next stop is for A gates. A as in Alpha.
You need it? ATL's got it. No matter your preference, we have something for you. A later presents an opportunity to shop, not and explore. We're thrilled you're here, and we hope to see you again soon. Welcome to Atlanta.
Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing. The next stop is for B gates. B as in Bravo.
You need it? ATL's got it. No matter your preference, we have something for you. A layer represents an opportunity to shop, buy, and explore. We're thrilled you're here, and we hope to see you again soon. Welcome to Atlanta.
Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please collect your belongings and watch your step as you exit. The next stop is for C gates. C as in Charlie. Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing. The next stop is for C gates. C as in Charlie.
To help prevent the spread of illness, wash your hands with soap and water. Please avoid touching your face and cover your cough and sneeze. Use hand sanitizer if washing is not available. And remember to travel safe and smart through ATL.
Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please collect your belongings and watch your step as you exit.
Alright. Really? Okay. Really? You told me I said that too? Okay.
The next stop is for D gates. D as in David.
Don't worry about it. You went like an asshole.
Next stop is D.
Okay, you went like an asshole.
Like, y'all know this. I'm not getting there.
Why do I have a phone so? Why is it so dark?
Is it dark?
Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing. The next stop is for D gates. D as in David.
Why are you looking at me?
ATL's got it. No matter your preference, we have something for you.
What you want to give between them?
Presents an opportunity to shop, dine, and explore. We're thrilled you're here, and we hope to see you again soon. Welcome to Atlanta.
What you grabbing the bag for?
Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please collect your belongings and watch your step as you exit.
You better wait till it stops. I ain't finna get up until it stops.
Whoa.
You see what I mean? Why you trying to get me to get up? Shit.
The next stop is for E-gates. E as in echo.
Careful. Doors are closing and will not be open. Please wait for the next train.
I don't need to be first motherfucker on this.
Huh? You don't need to do first what?
Motherfucker on the escalator.
Ain't no restroom around here.
You probably want to front.
Up the stairs, huh? Yeah. Let's go upstairs.
Oh God, this shit is.
The escalator. Yeah, it is pretty much.
Yup.
Oh, my damn arm. The escalator finna take my arm off. Hold on. Ah, damn, man. That shit long as fuck. Where's the restroom? Excuse me, where's the restroom? All the way down? Okay, thank you. We go down there. Larry. You gonna have to stay right here because I'm about to pee on myself. Where's the restroom? Is that the restroom? Okay.